Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 10, ICSE, CBSE and West Bengal Board also. Mensuration on combination of solid, part 4C. That means you have already got more lesson. You must go through that lesson. Now please pay your attention on the board. Sums given from ML Agarwal's book, exercise 17.4, sum number 12. Some you will get in a book and here also it is written clearly. Now pay your attention on the solution. Here I have drawn the diagram. ডায়াগ্রামটা আমি করেছি বোঝার সুবিধার জন্য, তোমরা ডায়াগ্রাম করতেও পারো আর নাও করতে পারো, তাতে কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। From a solid cylinder of height 30 cm. This is the solid cylinder 30 cm height and radius 7 cm. Radius 7 cm. Here the height of the solid cylinder 30 cm, radius 7 cm and the height of the conical, that is a conical cavity of height 24 cm. This is the conical cavity, height 24 cm and the base radius 7 cm. Base radius, this is the conical cavity, base radius 7 cm. Finally, we have to find out after drill out what surface and volume is remaining in the cylinder that is required. So this is why we have to first find out the volume of the cylinder. The volume of the cylinder pi r square h. After writing formula, then we have to write the relevant values. After putting and simplifying, we are getting that is 22 into 7 into 30 centimeter cube. Without multiplication, I am keeping in this way because for easier calculation. And the volume of the cavity, that is conical cavity, that is volume 1/3 pi r square h. After writing formula, we have to put the relevant values. After putting, we are getting 22 into 7 into 8 centimeter. This conical cavity, from this total volume, we have to subtract this, then you will get the remaining volume. The volume of the remaining solid, that is volume of the cylinder, volume of the cavity. I am keeping in this way for easier calculation. 22 into 7, 22 into 7, I have taken common, then 30 minus 8, then by multiplication it is coming 154 into 22, then by multiplication it is coming 3388 centimeter cube. This is the required volume of the remaining solid, that is 3388 centimeter cube. First part is completed. Second part. সেকেন্ড পার্ট লিটল বিট একটু আলাদা আছে, এটা একটু ভালো করে বুঝতে হবে। ফার্স্ট পার্টে জাস্ট টোটাল ভলিউম থেকে টোটাল ক্যাভিটির ভলিউম মাইনাস করলাম, রিমেনিং সলিডের ভলিউম পেয়ে গেলাম। কিন্তু এটা একটু ভালো করে বুঝতে হবে। এগেন দ্য টোটাল সারফেস এরিয়া of the cylinder, that is 2 pi r into h plus r. This is the formula. After writing formula, then we have to put the relevant values. After putting and simplifying, we are getting 1628 centimeter square. That is the total surface of the cylinder. That is curved surface and the circular surface. We have to find out the lateral surface. This is why slant height of the cavity, that is formula L equal to root over r square plus h square. Our value of r, that is 7 square, and value of h, that is given 24. After putting and simplifying, we are getting slant height 25 centimeter. Now we have to find out the slant surface. So slant surface area of the cavity, that is pi r L. After putting formula and putting relevant values, we are getting 550 centimeter square. Then we have to find out the area of the circular top of the cavity. Circular top of the cavity. That is circular, so circle, that is pi r square. Then 22 by 7 into 7 square, by calculation it is coming 154 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the remaining surface. টোটাল সারফেস অফ দ্য রিমেনিং সলিড। এই জায়গাটা একটু ভালো করে বুঝতে হবে। আগেরটা ভলিউমটা সাবট্রাক্ট করলাম, রিমেনিং ভলিউমটা পেয়ে গেলাম। এখানে যখনই আমি এই ক্যাভিটিটা তৈরি করলাম তখনই একটা নতুন সারফেস তৈরি হলো, আর এই সারফেসটা কি হলো, মাইনাস হয়ে গেল। ইট ইজ অ্যাডিং অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ সাবট্রাক্টিং। দিস ইজ ওয়াই টোটাল সারফেস অফ দ্য রিমেনিং সলিডস, দ্যাট ইজ টোটাল surface of the cylinder 2 pi r into h plus r, and so this is creating new surface is creating, that is lateral surface of the cavity pi rl, and this is subtracting, that is this is minus, so minus pi r square. This expression by subtraction of the cavity we are getting the surface area of the remaining solid. This you have to understand clearly. After writing this, then we have to put the values. After putting and simplifying, we are getting 2024 centimeter square. Therefore, the required total surface of the remaining solid is 2024 centimeter square. এই জায়গাটা একটু ভালো করে বুঝতে হবে। তাহলে সাধারণত ভলিউমটা মাইনাস করেছি, তো এবার সারফেসটাও মাইনাস হয়ে যাবে, এটা একটা সাধারণ কনসেপ্ট। কিন্তু এখানে এই সারফেসটা নতুন তৈরি হলো আর এই সারফেসটা মাইনাস হবে, এই জায়গাটা একটু বুঝতে হবে। ঠিক আছে, ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিবডি।